Welcome to our channel, guys. QA automation stuff. Today we are discuss about how to print a number factorial. Okay, so with the help of that Java compiler, we do that things. So firstly, we declare the one integer as a we take a one integers a as a 6. Okay, then with the help of that factorial count, so we use the 1 here. So with the help of that for loop, we add that things. Okay, so I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. So till, so we use the n as a number 6. Okay, so till, and then with the help of that increment loop, so we increment the value for the factorial. Fact is equal to fact into I. So one by one till 6, we add that things inside the counter. Okay, so with the help of that system dot out print system dot out dot println, so we check the factorial number. Okay, factorial of number is the result. Okay, so we check the factorial here, new factorial here. Okay, oh sorry, so required the semicolon here. Yeah, so factorial number of the 6 is 720. We check for the 7. Okay, so this is a factorial number 8. Sorry. Okay, so this is the code for the factorial number. So we create the here, and uh, okay, thanks for watching.